So this is a demonstration of my large run. And then the first thing I did in this code was import the models from Hugging Face. So I imported the 125 million, 1.3 billion, and 2.7 billion through pipeline. So we used interference and we didn't actually download the models and stuff. And then I created a 98 question input list that I could run through each individual model. And then these questions are natural language processing questions. And they're like philosophical questions, they're arithmetic questions, logical questions. And then for each question, I ran it through each of these models, and then it returned the carbon estimate, the energy estimate, and how much time it took to run it, and the result in a separate file. And then I'll show you an example of that right here. So this is the 2.7 billion one, the biggest model that I ran. And then you can see that there are 98 inputs. Well, there's 2 lines for each one, so double that. Divided by 2 and it's 98. And then you can see that this is the carbon, energy, and then time, and this is the result. And to view things easier, I made it into a Google Sheet by converting the text file into a CSV file. So as you can see, these are the results for the 125 million. These are the results for 1.3 billion and then 2.7 billion. So I took all these numbers and then I found the average, the carbon average, energy average, and time average for each single one. And then I put them into a table and converted that into a bar graph. And then as you can see from this bar graph, this is of the runtime. So the 2.7 billion model took the longest at 83.5, and then these took significantly less time to run. And then along with the carbon and energy, it's the same trend showing throughout. It's an exponential increase, with the 2.7 billion being significantly higher than each of these. So you can see that this one uses a lot more resources, a lot more money, a lot more time. So yeah, that's my demonstration for the large run.